In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on Dropbox. If you've been using Dropbox for a while, it's easy for your storage to fill up without you really noticing. Old files, large videos, and folders you no longer need can quietly take over your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical ways to clear out space so you can keep using Dropbox smoothly, without constantly running into storage limits. First, open Dropbox in your web browser and sign in to your account. Starting on the web makes it easier to see an overview of everything you have stored. Once you're on the home screen, look for your storage indicator, usually found near your profile picture or in the account settings area. This will show you how much space you're currently using and how close you are to your limit. It's helpful to know this before you start cleaning up, so you can see the impact of your changes. Next, head to your All Files section. This is where every file and folder in your Dropbox is listed. A useful tip here is to sort your files by size. That way, the largest items will appear at the top, making it easy to identify what's taking up the most space. If you see old videos, installer files, or backups you no longer need, consider deleting those first. These big items usually free up the most space in the shortest amount of time. As you review your folders, think about what you truly need to keep in the cloud. If there are important files you don't use often, you might download them to an external hard drive or local storage. Then remove them from Dropbox to reclaim space. Just make sure you've safely saved a copy before deleting anything from your account. After you delete files, remember to go to your Dropbox Deleted Files or Trash section. Items you remove aren't always gone right away. They often sit in a recovery area and still count toward your storage. From there, permanently delete the files you're sure you don't need anymore. This step is crucial because you won't actually see your available space increase until those items are fully removed. Finally, refresh your account page and check your storage indicator again. You should now see more free space available. Get into the habit of doing this cleanup regularly so Dropbox stays organized and responsive, and so you always have room for the files that really matter.